I want to give you a simple sentence shift that can help people hear your leadership more clearly. Instead of only saying, I finished the project, try adding this. What I noticed was. That one phrase changes the update. Now it might sound like, I finished the project, and what I noticed was that approvals were slowing us down. So I clarified the decision points and helped the team to stay on track. Same project, different level of visibility. Now people hear your judgment. They hear how you can spot a risk. They hear how you are thinking beyond the task. And this moves you from being seen as reliable to being seen as strategic. So this week, use this one sentence in an update. What I noticed was. Then follow it with the insight, the risk, or the recommendation. Small shift, big difference.